Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi!
We are back at Silver Dollar City and we are here for their tree lighting and Rudolph's Holly Jolly Christmas Light Parade.
It's always a mouthful.
It is. So,
come with us.
So I wanted to interrupt and let you guys know that today's video is brought to you by Hoka shoes. We are affiliated with them and we absolutely love these shoes. These are our theme park shoes. They are great for walking, running, or anything. They are great on our feet and they even make recovery shoes for you to use. So, we highly recommend these shoes. These are mine. These are the Rincon 3s. Ashley wears the Bondi 8s and she absolutely loves them. I plan on getting another pair very, very soon. But these are the Rincon 3s. I chose red because it is my favorite color. So anyway, use the link in the description box below to get your pair today. It really helps us out, bring you quality videos that you guys like to watch. All right, back to the video. All right, so we have found our spot for the parade. And
it's
as you can
actually
see,
like 45 minutes away for the tree lighting ceremony.
It is, and it is. There's the tree right there. It looks huge. My opinion, it's 8 stories tall, is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And as you can see, there are people already lined up. They were lined up here at least over an hour ahead of time to get a good spot. I think we've got a good spot right here. This is where I'm going to stand, and I think Ash is going to stand. It gives us a good shot of the tree. And then the parade actually goes right through here. You see those snowflakes on the ground when you're here at the park. You'll see that, and that is the parade path. And last year they came from that direction, moving this way as my finger moved across the screen. And also there's some carolers right over there singing. So,
and the carolers are actually from the Christmas Carol play.
They're from the Christmas Carol play. That's awesome. Maybe we need to go see that sometime.
Yeah.
So anyway, we will see you guys when the tree lighting begins, because that occurs before the parade. All right, so apparently they've got a singer.
Thank you guys so much. And right now we get to light up the Christmas tree together. Are you guys ready? Awesome. On the count of 3, we're going to light up this Christmas tree all together as one family, okay? 3, 2, 1. We're getting there.
right, so that was the tree lighting ceremony, and then here in about 15 minutes, the parade will go through. So we will see you guys after the parade. I want to apologize ahead of time. I thought Santa was the end of it because
Usually
it was
is.
last year.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you that transition you saw, nothing was cut out from the parade. I immediately realized, oh my gosh, there are more floats this year, more things happening with the parade.
It was longer.
And it was longer. And something else, they do play some music with the tree like normal, and all of the facades like the general store and Hannah's Ice Cream Parlor and all those places have the lights interacting with the tree this year.
It's really cool,
Which
actually.
it is awesome up here when they start playing music. Like you guys, like just I could sit here all day and just watch it happen. I like that kind of stuff. So anyway, guys, with that being said, we hope you guys enjoyed the first tree lighting of an old time Christmas here at Silver Dollar City
2023.
of 2023 and the first Rudolph's Holly Jolly Christmas Light Parade.
That's a lot.
They need to find a new name for that. That's long.
Everything's always like so long.
It is. But anyway, that being said, if you guys want to keep up with more of our theme park videos, news, updates, anything like that, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
Bell notification button.
so that you guys don't miss out on any more of our theme park adventures. And with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.